Assalamualaikum my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sonia Khan Joya, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 5 student. And our today's topic chapter 4, broad question and CBQ question. Look at the board student. First of all, you my dear student, all of you student, open your diary and write it on your diary. So my dear girls, write it on your diary. Class 5, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic name chapter 4, broad question plus CBQ question. Again I am saying your topic is chapter 4, broad question and CBQ question, and lecture number 18. So my dear student, let's start our today's topic. Chapter 4, broad question. Answer the descriptive question and broad question are the same. First question, how does our agriculture helps to earn foreign currency? Again I am saying the question, how does our agriculture helps to earn foreign currency? Answer, Bangladesh earns foreign currencies by exporting agricultural products. Bangladesh is mainly an agricultural country. About 80% of the population work in agriculture, growing crops for domestic and export scale. Many agricultural products are grown here. Among these products, rice, wheat, pulses, potatoes, oilseed are food crops, and jute, tea and tobacco are cash crops. We export these agricultural products after fulfilling our domestic needs. A large part of our foreign currency comes from agriculture. At present, agriculture contributes 20% of our country's economy. Thus, agriculture helps us to foreign currency. So, my dear student, this is the answer of question number 1. Now, question number 2. Describe some important aspects of our clothing industry. Again, I am saying, describe some important aspects of our clothing industry. Answer, clothing industry plays an important role in our national economy. The export of manufactured garments makes up nearly 80% of Bangladesh total export. There are many garment factories in different areas of Bangladesh. Several million women and men work in our garment factories. They make all kinds of garments for Western companies which earn valuable foreign currencies. Valuable currency. Again I am saying this line. They make all kinds of garments for Western companies which earn valuable foreign currency. Thus, garment industry is also creating working opportunities in the country. Bangladesh is also known for its high quality fabrics. Some cotton and silk sarees, for example, are made on handlooms. Others are made by machines. So, this is the answer of question 2. Now, question 3. What is the difference between heavy industry and cottage industry? Again, I am saying this question. What is the difference between heavy industry and cottage industry? Answer. The differences between heavy industry and cottage industry are heavy industry, cottage industry. Number 1. The industry which produces products on a large scale, carrying a huge capital and using a large number of workers and machines is called heavy industry. Now, cottage industry. The industry which produces products on a small on a smaller scale using fewer workers and small tools is called cottage industry. Then number 2, heavy industry. Number 2, fertilizer, cement, paper, sugar, etc. are the main heavy industries of Bangladesh. Cottage industry. Wood, brass, silk, pottery, etc. are the types of cottage industry. Heavy industry. 3. Heavy machine and higher technologies are used in heavy industry. Cottage industry. Number 3. Cottage industry requires lighter machines or tools. Heavy industry. 4. Heavy industries are operated in big factories. Cottage industry. Cottage industries are usually operated in people's home. Heavy industry. Number 5. A large amount of capital is used in heavy industry. Number 5. A little amount of capital is used in cottage industry. So this is the answer of question number 3. So my dear student, our broad question 1, 2 and 3. These 3 are our broad questions. Now start CBQ question or competency based question. Chapter 4, our economy in agriculture industry, model competency based question means CBQ question. CBQ question number 1. What are the reasons behind discouraging tobacco cultivation? Answer. Tobacco grows in many regions in Bangladesh, including Rangpur. Tobacco is used for making cigarettes and bidi. Much of it is exported, but demand is falling as smoking is discouraged for health. Cultivating tobacco is also very harmful for the farmers. Due to these reasons, the Agriculture Ministry has decided to turn 70,000 hectares of tobacco fields into cotton cultivation. Now question number 2. Write about 5 crops of our country. Write about 5 crops of our country. Answer. Description of 5 crops of our country are given below. Number 1. Rice. Rice is our main crop, so it is also the most popular food in Bangladesh. The climate is suitable to grow rice everywhere in shallow water called paddy fields. 3 main types of rice, Aush, Amon and Boro are produced in Bangladesh. Then number 2, wheat. We eat more wheat these days, which is made into bread and pastry. It is grown in the north and west of Bangladesh in winter. Number 3, pulses. Pulses including chola, mosur, motor, moog, mashkolai, kheshari and arhor are important agricultural products of Bangladesh. They grow in the north and west of Bangladesh. We have to import pulses to meet the demand of our country. My dear student, here moog spelling is M-O-O-G. M-O-O-G is moog. Then number 4, potatoes. Number 4, potatoes. Potatoes grow well in our fertile soil with its sand and loam. We produce round and sweet potatoes especially for home and export. Then number 5, oil seeds. We cook a lot of food in oil. This oil comes from pressing the seeds of mustard, almond or linseeds. We have to import oil to fill our needs. Now question number 3. Write 3 heavy industries in Bangladesh. Write 3 heavy industries in Bangladesh. Answer. Three heavy industries in Bangladesh are given below. Number 1. Paper industry. Paper mills turn timber into paper. There are 3 paper mills currently run by the government in Chandragona, Khulna and Pakshim. These are also few more. There are also few more paper mills run by the private companies. And Chandragona, Khulna and Pakshi, these are government paper industries. These are 3 government paper industry. Number 2, fertilizer industry. We produce fertilizers to help our crops to grow, but some fertilizers still have to be imported. Number 3, sugar industry. Sugar is refined in sugar mills, but Bangladesh imports a lot of sugar for its needs. Then question number 4. Write about 3 cottage industries. Write about 3 cottage industries. Answer. 3 cottage industries are given below. Number 1, pottery industry. We make pottery and terracotta objects from clay such as pots, plates, vases and tiles. Number 2, brush industry. Brush objects are made for domestic use. Islampur in Jamalpur district, Kagmari in Tangail district and Dhamra in Dhaka district are famous for brush industry. Number 3, wood industry. Wood is forested in Sundarban, Chattogram and Sylhet. It is then used to make houses and furniture such as beds, tables, chairs, benches and cupboard etc. My dear student, again I am saying this answer. Write about 3 cottage industry. 3 cottage industries are given below. Number 1, pottery industry. We make pottery and terracotta objects from clay such as pots, plates, vases and tiles. Number 2, brush industry. Brush objects are made for domestic use. Islampur in Jamalpur district, Kagmari in Tangail district and Dhamra in Dhaka district are famous for brush industry. Number 3, wood industry. Wood is forested in Sundarban, Chattogram and Sylhet. It is then used to make houses and furniture such as beds, tables, chairs, benches, cupboards, etc. Now student, number 5. Which one is the main crop of Bangladesh? Write 4 sentences on it. Which one is the main crop of Bangladesh? Write 4 sentences on it. Answer. Rice is our main crop. Every year 34 million tons of rice is produced in our country. 4 sentences on rice are given below. Number 1. Rice is the main crop among the 3 other crops. Number 2. The climate is suitable to grow rice everywhere. In shallow water called paddy field. Number 3. 3 main types of rice, Aush, Amon and Boro are produced in Bangladesh. Number 4. Rice is the main food of Bangladesh. Then question number 6. Our fertile soil with sand and loam is suitable for which crops? Describe it. Again I am saying our fertile soil with sand and loam is suitable for which crops? Describe it. Answer. Our fertile soil with sand and loam is suitable for potatoes. Number 1. Potatoes are a root vegetables. Number 2. 4 million tons of potatoes are produced in our country. Number 3, we produce round and sweet potatoes. Number 4, we export potatoes after fulfilling the demand of the country. Now, my dear student, question number 7. Which cash crop is produced in Sylhet and Chattogram? Describe it in 4 sentences. My dear student, here is the spelling mistake. Please correct it. CHATTO, Chattogram. Okay. CHATTO, Chattogram. Which cash crop is produced in Sylhet and Chattogram? Describe it in 4 sentences. Again, I am saying these questions. Which cash crop is produced in Sylhet and Chattogram? Describe it in 4 sentences. Answer. Tea grows in Sylhet and Chattogram. CHATTOGRAM, Chattogram. Answer. Tea grows in Sylhet and Chattogram. 4 points of information on tea are: number 1, Bangladesh earns a lot of foreign currency by exporting tea. Number 2, it grows especially in north and south of Bangladesh. Number 3, recently production of tea has been expanded to Dinajpur and Panchgarh. Number 4, tea from Bangladesh has a good reputation, so it is in demand overseas. Now question number 8. This is question number 8. My dear student, this is question number 8. Why is jute called the golden fiber? Write 3 sentences on it. Again, I am saying this question. Question number 8. Why is jute called the golden fiber? Write 3 sentences on it. Answer. Jute is a kind of golden fiber. By exporting jute and jute made products, Bangladesh earns a large amount of foreign currency every year. That is why jute is called the golden fiber of Bangladesh. It is also called golden fiber because of its golden color. 3 sentences on jute are given below. Number 1, jute is our main cash crop. Number 2, Bangladesh produces the most jute in the world after India. Number 3, the areas of Mymensingh, Faridpur, Kumilla, Pabna, Kushtia, Jashore and Noaganj produce the most jute in Bangladesh. So my dear student, we have 3 broad questions and we have 8 CBQ question. And my dear student, today there is no homework. So my dear student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic. Keep stay at home. See you again inshallah.